Hi guys, any of you remember this one? It's a fly trap or a bug trap. It's got different colour LEDs in it to attract different bugs apparently. BigClive.com did a review on one. I'm not even sure if it was this year, it might have been last year. It was quite a while ago. He didn't think it was going to be much good, but when I looked on AliExpress or eBay, one or the other, they were selling them really cheap. So I thought I'd buy one anyway, just for the fun of it. And it's been under the bed ever since. So what I'm going to do is see if I can identify any of the bugs. And we've got a few moths in there, a few tiny little, what we used to call thunder flies. Just little black flies. I don't think we've got any really interesting bugs as such, but we'll have a look. It's just a sticky pad there, which I will replace, and we'll have a look at the bugs that are on there, just in case there's anything interesting. Just for reference, the top twists off. It's got a little sort of bayonet fitting to hold it in place, and then that is replaceable. So that's the fresh sticky pad in place, so that can go back under the bed. Or I could just show you off. White light, soft white, slightly different shade of white, and blue. Still got the original box. Multifunctional pest catcher. 4 lights, attractant, easy and convenient, protect your health. I'll try Google Lens, see if we can identify any of these. Oh, stay in focus. Seem to be quite a few of these small moths. And then these tiny little flies. Yeah. Well, we can have a look. You never know. So thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.